In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tasks to Notion using Zapier. If you're someone who juggles multiple tasks on Google Tasks and loves organizing your notes, so on Notion, integrating these two platforms can streamline your workflow significantly. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless connection between your Google Tasks and Notion, allowing for easy management of tasks across both platforms. First, let's start by signing into Zapier. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a powerful automation tool that lets you connect 2 or more apps to automate repetitive tasks without coding or relying on developers to build integrations. Head over to Zapier's website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up, but don't worry, it's straightforward and free to get started with basic automation. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new Zap. A Zap in Zapier is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps and services. In this context, you'll be linking Google Tasks and Notion. To begin, click on the Make a Zap button, which you'll typically find at the top of the dashboard. This will take you to a page where you can set up the trigger and action. Our first step in creating a Zap is to choose Google Tasks as the trigger. In Zapier, a trigger is the event that starts your Zap. In this case, you want any changes in Google Tasks to trigger an action in Notion. You'll need to specify what kind of activity in Google Tasks you want to trigger the Zap, such as when a new task is created or completed. Choose the option that best suits your needs. With the trigger set, the next step is to choose Notion as the action. In Zapier's language, the action is an event that your Zap performs once triggered. So when something happens in Google Tasks, this is how it will reflect in Notion. You can choose from various actions such as creating a database item or appending to an existing list, depending on how you want to manage your tasks in Notion. Now it's time to connect both your Google and Notion accounts to Zapier. This will require some authorizations. Follow the prompts to link your Google Tasks account first. You'll probably need to grant permission for Zapier to access your tasks. Once done, repeat this process for your Notion account, allowing Zapier to perform actions there. After connecting the accounts, you'll select your Notion database where you want the tasks to appear. Navigate through your Notion spaces and select the relevant database. Next, you'll need to map the Google Tasks fields to the corresponding Notion properties. This step is crucial because it tells Zapier how to transfer information from Google Tasks into your Notion workspace. Ensure each field matches up correctly to avoid any confusion later. Finally, once everything is set up, do a quick test to make sure your Zap works as intended. Zapier will simulate the trigger event to see if everything integrates smoothly. If the test is successful, go ahead and publish your Zap. Now you have a live automation that updates Notion every time you create a new task on Google Tasks. And there you have it. You've connected Google Tasks to Notion using Zapier, making task management more efficient and aligned with your workflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.